Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing Riverdale DIYs, and if you're watching this, please comment down below what your favorite YouTuber is and what type of videos you like watching from them, because I kind of want to start doing new types of videos, but I don't know what to do, so it would be so greatly appreciated if you would comment down below. Okay, I'll get on to the DIYs now.
Archie's here, Betty's here, Veronica too, Reggie's here.
So for this DIY, you will need a notebook and sticker paper. What you're going to do is you're going to print the stickers on the sticker paper, cut them out, and then put them on the notebook. So what you will need for this is transfer paper and a shirt. All you need to do is print out your design, cut it out, and then iron it on to the shirt. So for this, you will need a shirt and some letters. Most people would iron them on, but I tried hot gluing them on because I didn't want to iron them on. Probably a bad idea.
Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you should subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat, because I had every single person back. And my goal of the year is to get to 20,000 subscribers, so please subscribe and share with your friends to help me get more subscribers, to get closer to my goal. Also, comment down video ideas that you think would go like viral or do like good on my channel that people would like watching, so that like maybe I could hit it by making like better content or whatever. That's all I have to say. Stay until the bloopers. Goodbye! Right now. Okay, for today's video, did it look weird? I think it's because I have no eyelashes. I'm off my makeup right now. I hate myself. Okay, happy thoughts, happy thoughts. Hey guys! Happy thoughts, happy thoughts, happy thoughts.